Alright, here's a little later model luxury vehicle in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2007 Bentley Continental GTC. Nice looking convertible. Just over 29,000 miles on this model. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms miles. As you can see, it's kind of the silver gray metallic. I believe they called this Silver Tempest. Underneath the hood of this, W12 6-liter twin turbo, putting out approximately 551 horsepower. That is paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with a manual shift on the wheel, tap shift. Riding on the 19-inch Bentley chrome wheels. Newer Michelin tires on there. These were also all-wheel drive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this, you can see the engine bay, the underside, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can give us a call to 507-386-1726. Of course, these were higher-end luxury vehicle. Price on these new in the excess of $200,000 range. With 29,000 miles, you can own this car for a fraction of what they cost new, still have all the luxury. You want to turn some heads, be seen, this car will do it. One little touch-up spot up there, if I can kind of get it to show up. Overall, though, paint in very nice shape on this car, as well as the interior. And again, look up and down the side of this car, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Interior's got a medium gray leather, of course, buckets up front, and all the amenities that you get in a Bentley. One of the cooler features that I've seen has a self-closing door. All it has to do is touch there. It will close all the way automatically for you. Same with the trunk. Trunk will open with a power feature and also close with a power feature. Of course, the navigation, the heated seats, all the stuff you're going to get in a Bentley. And then look at how many ways there is to adjust this seat. You want a comfortable seat. Extremely selective when it comes to putting that seat right where you want it. It has a power seat as far as the recliner will move forward. The seat will move forward when you go to get in the back seat. Just luxury everywhere in this. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. Basically everything you need to do to get this car in your driveway. And once again, remember that phone number, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. You can check us out. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Also, new front brakes in this car. Pads were just put in. These cars would do 0 to 60 in approximately mid-4s, 4.5, 4.6. They're not a light car, but that's how you get your very, very nice ride and plenty of power with 550 plus horsepower in this thing. So you got luxury, you got speed, you have it all. Looks, the whole shebang. Like I said, little over 29,000 miles. Let's see if you can see that. 29,883. Sorry, my light is on. 29,883. I want that paint to pop on this so you'd see it. We're going to go ahead and start this up too. So here at Run, we'll check out the engine bay. I'm going to pop that trunk a second here too. As you can see, there's your power lift, and it will do there is a pass-through, by the way, back here. And then you also have this button here, power close, all working as it should on this. Let's go ahead and start this up a second. Push button start right here in the center, or you can turn the key. A couple different ways to do it. Fired up. It's a very cool sounding car. Come around to the back of this. Listen to that. Luxury car that sounds like that. Nice ahead and pause this a second, and I want to pop this hood so we can check out the engine bay. All right, hood pop. Here's the W12 6-liter twin turbo. Nice smooth running engine. Also fresh oil change on this. So oil has been done, front brakes have recently been done. So you're good to go there. The one thing would need to do is I put a vice grip on the strut there. So the struts are a little weak in this one. A little tougher holding that hood all the way up. Just want to make you aware of that. Very clean and tidy underneath there. Smooth runner. So there you go. If you're looking for a high-end luxury sports convertible that you can own for a fraction of what it was new, here you go. 2007 Bentley Continental GTC, putting out over 550 horse and only 29,000 and some odd miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Double check though with your sales associate when you call in or